What's the meaning of bloodbath? Bloodbath. Bloodbath.
Bloodbath. Bloodbath. The term bloodbath usually refers to a violent and brutal event where there is a lot of bloodshed. It can describe a situation where a large number of people are killed or injured in a short period of time, often in a chaotic and uncontrollable manner. The word is often used to describe a particularly fierce battle or conflict where both sides suffer heavy casualties. Alternatively, it can refer to a situation where many people lose their jobs or a company goes bankrupt, resulting in significant financial losses and upheaval. Overall, bloodbath connotes a sense of extreme violence, tragedy, and chaos.